Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this detailed tutorial on changing the control panel of your Thermomix TM31. Before we begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Let's get started by unplugging your Thermomix to ensure safety during the repair. First, locate the screws on the back of the device. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws carefully, keeping them in a safe place. There are typically 4 screws securing the back panel. Once removed, gently lift the back panel off, exposing the internal components. Now, take a moment to inspect the inside of your Thermomix for any debris or buildup. Cleaning the internal components with a soft cloth can help maintain your device's efficiency. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you identify any issues. Next, focus on the control panel. It is usually connected with a few screws and a ribbon cable. Disconnect the ribbon cable gently by pulling on the tab. It's crucial to be cautious here, any damage could lead to further repairs. Unscrew the control panel using the same Phillips screwdriver. There may be 2 to 3 screws holding it in place. Once these screws are removed, lift the control panel out gently. Take a moment to compare the old panel with the new one to ensure you have the correct replacement. When ready, install the new control panel by aligning it with the screw holes. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure the ribbon cable is properly connected. It should click into place without any force. If you don't have the tools for this job, remember we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making repairs hassle-free. After securing the new panel, it's time to reattach the back panel. Ensure all internal wires are tucked neatly to prevent any interference. Replace the screws on the back panel, tightening them securely but not overly tight to avoid damaging the plastic. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and test the new control panel. If everything is working correctly, congratulations on completing the repair. However, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out. We offer quotes before repair to ensure you know what to expect. This tutorial not only helps with the quick fix but also emphasizes the importance of maintaining your Thermomix for optimal performance. Regular checks and cleanings can extend the life of your appliance. Thank you for following along, and enjoy your perfectly functioning Thermomix TM31. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.